Updating your legal profile on weights and biases is essential to ensure compliance and maintain accurate records. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Login. Access your weights and biases account by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to avoid login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings option, usually found in the Account menu. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Select Legal Information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update required fields. Review the fields that need updating, such as your legal name, business address, or any other relevant legal details. Make the necessary changes and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your legal information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can successfully update your legal profile on weights and biases. Regular updates help maintain compliance and keep your information current.